This Japanese-style tiny home exemplifies how smart interior planning can dramatically expand living space when within a highly compact footprint. At first glance, the living room feels open and spacious, almost entirely free of bulky furniture or protruding storage cabinets. This effect is achieved through the strategic use of built-in cabinets that are flush with the walls, blending seamlessly into the interior and maintaining a clean, minimalist aesthetic. A standout feature is the stage cabinet area, a slightly elevated platform that not only adds architectural interest but also functions as hidden storage. Inside the stage are compartments for storing daily items, allowing residents to keep the space clutter-free while still having convenient access to what they need. By hiding storage within structural elements, this tiny home design creates the impression of a much larger room, giving residents the ability to move freely and comfortably. This clever configuration proves that with thoughtful design, even the smallest home can offer maximum livability, function, and also the elegance.